Hello everybody, today is something a little different. Donkey Kong boards tend to lose these little heat sinks. They come off this is on a 101.36 I think on the video boards, or excuse me, on the clock board or the video board. This comes off the ECL RAMs, and you know, I've never really found anything. I never replaced them. I just put them back on if I had them. Well, I've got a couple here, and I purchased some aluminum extrusion. This is 1/4 inch from Outwater. It's a little bit shorter, but it's just about the same size. I'm going to try this and see if it'll work. I think it will. And then I have some adhesive, thermal glue. I've ordered a bunch of these because if this does work, I'll just I'll put it up on the site and everybody can buy them. I also purchased this other extrusion. Let's see. This is 3/8, I think it is. I think this also comes from Outwater. Let's see. This looks just about the same size. Sorry. This looks just about the same size. Here. So I'm going to cut these up. The depth is about the same. This is a little thicker, so it will probably dissipate heat a little better. So, yeah, between these two, I should be able to make, you have to buy like 8 feet of this stuff, or maybe even a little longer. I think each one of these is 3 feet long, so 9. I had to buy 4 of each just to buy them. So that's a lot of heat sink. So I'm going to figure out how to cut them up, and I found this is an interesting kit. I got this off of Amazon, and the hacksaws aren't really what looked interesting to me. What looked interesting to me was this little jig right here. So here's a little miter box, and there's a tiny little hacksaw. So I'm going to use that and set a block in here, clamp it down to the bench, and just cut a bunch of them, and then vacuum up all the mess. And yeah, I think they're going to work. So it's not made as a heat sink, but it's just extruded aluminum. You know, it looks the same. And it sure can't hurt. So we'll build a bunch of these and see how we like them. All right, let me cut this up. Kind of an interesting looking kit. So like I said, this is the guy I'm totally interested in, and this one, these look kind of neat too. It's got a small saw and a larger one, extra blades, kind of cool. Anyway, I think it was called it's from Rika Leader. Hacksaw set, steel, metal, wood, PVC. It wasn't very expensive. I think it was like $8 or something like that, with free shipping, which is what we like. All right, especially when it's something new, we're just trying. So these, I'm going to get a wood block and set it in here and clamp it down, and then saw some of these up. Let's try one. Let's see. I think I'll use a marker to begin with and just mark where it needs to be. Oh, this comes so that the blade is backwards. So, I believe I need to remove it, spin it and put it back. Kind of interesting. Let's see how it works. Almost done. There we go. Well, that looks about, I don't think you're going to be able to tell the difference there. They look about the same. I think I'd rather see that on a Donkey Kong board than you know, these little fin things or something. I think it just looked better and probably do the same job. So it'll end up looking like this. Yeah, I think that'll be fine. And the other ones, let's cut a tiny one. That's easy, goes right to that edge there. Go. A little long, so I'll shorten it up next time. Yeah, that should work. Alright, it'd be good to replace these, because that sucker in the clock circuit just runs real hot. All these ceramics do, but specifically the the 10136. Just runs really hot, just like these two rams. All right. Well, so that's my today's project. Just cut a couple of these up and just have some on hand. I'm going to cut up a whole rod of these. Yeah, I need a better way. This has to be clamped. So close. Here we go. Well, I'll cut this whole thing up and then cut up the other smaller ones, and maybe I'll come back and show you the result. I'm sure you don't want to watch all the sawing. We'll be back. Oh, welcome back. We got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 out of that that one piece. Let's see, how long are these extrusions? I think they're 36. 12, 24. Yep, it must have been, it was 36, and I cut one off. I cut two off. So 36 inches. I had to buy 4 of those, so 12 feet. And you get 30. That's really not too bad. It's a lot of work though, and now it's a lot of cleanup. My hands are sore. All right, catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.